Ready to transform your body in just 7 days? This isn't your average weight loss challenge. These proven methods are designed to give you real results fast. If you're serious about shedding pounds and feeling your best, stick with me for the next week and watch how your body changes before your eyes. Let's get started. All right, everyone, gather around because I'm about to share something that could change your life in just 7 days. Yes, you heard me right. The ultimate 7-day weight loss challenge. And I promise you, it's not just another fad diet or a quick fix that leaves you feeling miserable. This is about real, sustainable results that you can actually maintain long after the week is over. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about mindset. This challenge isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about transforming your relationship with food and your body. Before we even start, I want you to take a moment to reflect. What are your goals? Are you looking to fit into that dress for an upcoming event? Or do you just want to feel more energized and confident in your own skin? Whatever it is, write it down and keep it somewhere visible. This week is all about you and your journey. Now, let's break down the challenge. Day 1 is all about prepping your mind and your meals. Yes, meal prep is key. Spend some time planning out your meals for the week. Choose whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is your best friend, so aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you're properly hydrated. On day 2, we're ramping up the activity. I'm not talking about an intense workout that leaves you gasping for breath. Instead, find something you enjoy. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a dance class, or even yoga, just get moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity. You'll be surprised by how much your mood improves and how your body responds when you incorporate movement into your day. Day 3 is all about mindfulness. This is where we take a step back and really tune into our bodies. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite, noticing the flavors, and recognizing when you're full. Put away distractions like your phone or the TV. This week is about reconnecting with yourself and your hunger cues. You might find that you eat less when you actually pay attention to your food. Now, day 4 is where we shake things up a bit. I want you to try a new recipe. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with healthy ingredients you've never tried before, or whip up a dish that's both delicious and nutritious. Cooking can be so much fun, and it's a great way to take control of what you're putting into your body. Plus, it's a fantastic way to impress your friends and family. On day 5, let's talk about sleep. Yes, sleep. It's often overlooked, but getting enough quality rest is crucial for weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, maybe with some light reading or meditation. Trust me, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Day 6 is all about support. Share your journey with friends or family. Join an online community or find a workout buddy. Having someone to share your goals with can make all the difference. You'll motivate each other, celebrate victories, and hold each other accountable. Plus, it's just more fun to embark on this journey together. Finally, on day 7, take a moment to reflect on your week. What changes did you notice? How do you feel? Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Remember, this challenge is just the beginning. You've taken the first step towards a healthier lifestyle, and that's something to be proud of. So are you ready to take on the ultimate 7-day weight loss challenge? Let's do this together. You've got this, and I can't wait to hear about your amazing results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.